have spent 2 years of your life with us, and now it's our time to reward you for your hard work and perseverance. We welcome you all to the 22nd Convocation ceremony held on 14th October 2019. I feel honored and privileged to confer diploma to the PGTM batch 2016-18 and PGTM batch 2017-19. I once again welcome you to this grand day, which is the most important day of your life. I believe in staying healthy and staying happy. So wish you all the happiness and all the health to you. All the best. Thank you.
Principles which I want my students to follow in the life. First of all, I want that whenever you are alone, take care of your thoughts. But whenever you are with the people, take care of your behavior and actions. Number 2, take care of your health. Number 3, be very humble, down to earth. That pays a lot in the life. Number 4, help out needy people in the life, whosoever may be needy people in your life. Be ready to help out the people whenever it is possible for you. And the last one is, be a student throughout the life, because knowledge in the college and knowledge after the college, at both places, it is equally important. All the best.
It was a nice feeling when you joined us in Asia Pacific Institute of Management. The feelings became nicer during your 2 years stay with us. It was nicest when you got placed. Today I am thrilled to welcome you back to your alma mater. The institute is all about yours. You will remember this with fond memories of your stay here. You have gained enough knowledge and you have the capacity and skill to make the world a better place. Convocation does not mean goodbye. It means that you are always welcome. The institute is yours today and always. I look forward to hearing good personal and professional achievements from you. God bless you and be sincere, loyal and honest in all your dealings. Welcome back. Thank you very much.
The 16-18 and the 17-19 batches are two batches which would always remain close to my heart, because it was with them that I started my journey in Asia Pacific Institute of Management. And see how time flies. Today we are awaiting their presence for the convocation, for the 22nd convocation, which is to be held on the 14th of October 2019. We are inviting you for this convocation so that we can happily convocate you. Please be there, and on a lighter note, please don't be late, because latecomers don't get attendance yet in Asia Pacific Institute of Management. Looking forward to your presence. Please be there and make this occasion a joyous occasion and a memorable one for all of you.
Dear students, myself Dr. Abhishek Maheshwari, ACB Finance, I welcome all of you to the institute, as the institute is organizing its 22nd convocation for its two batches 2016-18 and 17-19 on 14th October 2019. As I taught you in all the years, so you are very close to my heart. We have a lot of memories to share. It is a privileged day, it is a memorable day for every student to get convocated. So I welcome all of you and looking forward all of you on this occasion. Thanking you.
Welcome to Asia Pacific Institute of Management, New Delhi. I am Dr. M.P. Singh, Professor Marketing and ACP Admissions here. Well, you can see the sky is clear. Fresh winds have started blowing, promising a new era of hope in place of despair, enthusiasm in place of stagnation, and dynamism that is going to transfer entire of you beyond recognition. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to the Convocation, and Asia Pacific Institute of Management is known with 24 years of rich academic excellence, and it would have not happened, it has happened because of the journey which you had traveled with us.
और मेरे प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो तुम सब? बहुत शिद्दत से तुम सबका इंतज़ार है कन्वोकेशन वाले दिन के लिए। पूरा कैंपस सजाया जा रहा है और हम सब मिलकर रोज़ कुछ न कुछ प्लानिंग करते हैं कि आप लोगों के लिए और क्या किया जाए। आपके सीनियर जूनियर सारे आ रहे हैं। आप सबसे मिलने की उम्मीद में, आपको तहे दिल से बुलाने के लिए हम सब आपका वेट कर रहे हैं। वेलकम होम वंस अगेन माय बिलवेड स्टूडेंट। होप टू सी यू।
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shefali. I heartily invite you to the 22nd Convocation for the batches 2016-18 and 17-19. Come, relive the memories of your campus and enjoy the day with all your friends back there.
We at Asia Pacific Institute of Management, Jasula Vihar, New Delhi, welcomes everybody. Let it be the parents, the students, and the students who are right now are going to be the professional front and are going to be working. So I wish a lot of success and good life to them. Me here as the faculty for HRM, Dr. Abdul Aleem, wishes a lot of success to everyone and welcome you here for the convocation ceremony of 2019. I wish that all of our students will grow very high and will come as the tribute to our institute. Thank you so much.
मैं मनीष कुमार शुक्ला, असिस्टेंट लाइब्रेरियन, अपने समस्त एलुमनाई स्टूडेंट्स का 14 अक्टूबर 2019 को होने वाले कन्वोकेशन में हार्दिक रूप से अभिनंदन करता हूं। वो स्टूडेंट्स जिनके साथ मैंने लाइब्रेरी में अपना बहुत अच्छा समय व्यतीत किया और वो इस समय बहुत अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अपना हार्ड वर्किंग परफॉर्मेंस प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, तथा मैं उनके अच्छे भविष्य के लिए ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ।